Don't like the HDR effect on your iPhone's camera? Here's how to turn it off. First, turn off HDR video on iPhone. For this, open the Settings app on your iPhone. Scroll down just a bit, and tap on Camera Settings. Next, tap on Record Video, and then scroll all the way down. Here you'll see the HDR video option. When this is turned on, your iPhone records videos in high dynamic range, or HDR. To disable it, simply turn off the HDR video toggle. Note that this setting only affects videos you record on your iPhone. It doesn't affect HDR videos you're watching. Now, let's go through the steps to disable HDR media on social media apps like Instagram. Open the Instagram app on your iPhone. Tap on your profile icon in the bottom right corner. Then tap on the three-line menu icon in the top right corner. From here, scroll down to your App and Media section, and tap on Media Quality. Here, you'll see the option to disable display of HDR media. Simply turn this option on. Keep in mind that you'll need to change this setting separately for other apps, such as Facebook, YouTube, and more.